Hi, this is Bruce. Welcome to Cool Stuff. This channel is dedicated to cool stuff. So hope you like, subscribe, share, visit us often. We're going to have a lot more neat items coming on the channel, and we look forward to sharing these items with you. Hi, what we have here is a Jo-han Rambulance, a model dragster, 1966 Cadillac. This particular kit is factory sealed and has all its original contents. The artwork's in really good shape, the box is in nice shape. And just in case you'd like to see the fully built model, I happen to have one of those, painted just like the box art. A dual engine ambulance dragster. Thanks for visiting. More cool stuff coming. Please like, subscribe, and share.